goes uptown, you don't stop. That includes the Bronx and Harlem, you don't stop. Now to that girl Ramel, you don't stop.
Hey, what y'all know? Y'all don't know nothing about no Tribe Called Quest. Today is a good day. It is the weekend. And it's a good day. I've been cleaning out the house, y'all. I've been cleaning out stuff, getting rid of stuff. I decided to go to the park and go for a walk. It's in the evening. Let me turn this off. It's in the evening, and yeah. That's one thing about being by yourself. You can just pick up, go, do whatever you want to do on your own. Hey, and I don't have a problem with that right now. It's so many people at this park. Let me show y'all these people. See them? Can y'all see them? They was in the middle of the road. I don't know what they doing. The lady was she has a camera. They were laying in the road taking pictures of the trees. That ain't weird, but yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna take y'all on a walk and we'll chit chat from there. All right. This is gonna start a new vlog for the week. I don't really have much. I'm not doing a whole lot. I'm really not. Just trying to make some drastic decisions. That's all. I got my water. I always keep this, y'all, in the car. I always keep this. I keep this with me all the time. This is in case I want to strap it on me. Matter of fact, do I think I want to do? No, because I have my other water right here. So I'm going to drink some more of this and then I'm going to go ahead and start walking. But I'm going to use the restroom first. All the beautiful colors of autumn. Y'all might see me turning around back and forth because you have to be aware of your surroundings. So I already used the restroom. I'm trying to make it to one end back. I don't know how many steps that will get me, but I'll be okay with that because I've done a lot of steps this week. Yeah. So yeah. Whew. So how's everybody doing? I'm doing okay. Thanks for asking. So I was earlier I was just speaking about, people being single. It's nothing wrong with being single. There are some pros and some cons about it. I'm just waiting on my time for that right person to come across my path, but in the meantime I'm just working on being to myself, doing the things that help me and will hold on, y'all. All right, y'all, we back. But anyway, I'm just working on myself right now. Like one of my state licenses expired, so I'm trying to work on that. I'm trying to the thing is I might have to go back to school to do it all over again, which I really don't want to do. So I'm in between jobs, still trying to figure out what I need to do. And yeah, I ain't ashamed of it. We all go through things where everybody's doing certain things in life to better themselves. But it's okay. It's okay as far as you don't have someone or anything like that, because it's just what it is. But I know right now, I feel like it's kind of bad in a way because we're in a state, not a just state like where you live, but it's just a physical state of being that I think it's easier for, to have thriving, trustworthy relationship, whether it's marriage or, you're dating, because we're living in some tough times right now. A lot of people are struggling and things, and it's better with two. Now, I will say that it's better with two. I don't care what nobody say. It's better with two. Yeah, so y'all let me know what y'all think. In the meantime, I hope I can make it down to the end of this area where I'm at. Somebody was back there, but they're gone. I walk so fast. But I hope you guys are enjoying the scenery. I'll see what I can show y'all, and then we'll catch up in a little while. So, yeah. So guys, y'all, I didn't get a chance to show y'all any. Well, I could have showed y'all some scenery, but as you can see, it's getting dark. So I had time to do my jump rope, and I'll just turn the car back on because I'm not trying to be out here being on nobody's 48 hours or whatever you call them shows. Whew. Y'all know she always stay afloat. I'll see you guys back on another day. Bye. Hey, beautifuls. How's everybody doing? I started off my morning by having me some homemade matcha at home. You know, it's nothing wrong with making it yourself because I'm not going out to buy any. Even though I can afford it, I'm not. But this is, you guys see me make this. So this is the matcha, organic matcha oat milk creamer, califia almond milk. Yeah, and a little bit of honey. And it goes down. It really goes down. But how are y'all doing? How are y'all enjoying y'all's autumn fall season so far? Where do you live? How cold has it been getting? Today is going to reach 55, so y'all already know I'm going to take advantage of that. And I am going to go outside and do a little walking. And yeah, I'm just enjoying my peace, my quiet, my solitude. Although I miss being around people, it's just the way things are today. You have to guard your peace, guard your heart at all costs. Yeah, so what else am I going to get into today? I know I'm going to check on my plant babies because I think I had a leaf that fell on my own Big Bertha. I can show you guys the one in the office. The leaf did open up as well. And I think all the other ones are doing pretty well, so. I have Martin playing in the background. Y'all probably can hear it, but yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do those things, and I might or may end out the vlog. It's been a couple of days later, and yeah, I'm just enjoying me, y'all. You know, all you have is yourself, okay? All you have is yourself and the Most High that looks after you. You know, you have people here and there that may be true and dear to your heart, but for the most, just being realistic. I'm not gonna rake like I used to. I decided this year I'm gonna wait until a lot of the leaves, I don't know if y'all can see behind me, but a lot of the leaves have not fell yet. They're yellow, but once they turn yellow and like bright orangey like a color for the jasmine, for the Japanese tree, then it'll be time for me to rake them all up. And then, you know, the community department maintenance people, they will come and pick your leaves up for you. So yeah, y'all, so yeah, so let me go ahead and check on these plant babies, and I'll catch you guys in a minute.
Do what they just did.
Are you serious? Fine. Are we still on for dinner tomorrow night?
I don't know. I gotta check my finances.
Don't worry, Martin. I'm paying.
Mom's got 3 ketchups, all of them. But it's stay out of my refrigerator. What are y'all doing here, man? Nah, I thought I threw y'all out. That was yesterday. Yeah, well, welcome back. You know, I didn't mean any disrespect. I never intended for Gina to be my love slave. I mean, it's cool. I ain't got no beef with you, you know what I'm saying? It's just Gina making more money than me, man, tripping me out. And why would you dare me? My whole
All right, y'all. we are in my office, and I want to show y'all my baby. I want to show y'all my baby. Look at her. Look at her. I told y'all she was going to have a split leaf right there, didn't I? Beautiful. Very beautiful she is. Yep. She is thriving and thrusting. Yes, she is. Look how big she's getting. Still haven't put anything in here yet. I will be when I get some dirt so I can mix it. I need dirt. I have dirt, but I need to mix it with some regular potting soil. Regular organic potting soil. Yeah, I can't wait to put something in there, but y'all see the star of the show right here. Y'all, this is my outfit of the day. I just have on like a white sweat hoodie. I love this because it's white, as you know. White is my favorite color. If you did not know, white is my favorite color. And I love black. I like green. I like a lot of stuff, but yeah, I'm gonna be warm in this. And if you enjoyed the video, can y'all see me? If you enjoyed the video, consider subscribing, hype up the video. Come along my other channel on my natural vegan journey. It's been 9 years. That channel is Simply Black Vegan 9230. You can join me there. But yeah, just wanted to show y'all my OOT day. I got on a pair of sweats with the pockets, and I'll be throwing on my Fivio shoes, and I'm gonna go for a run, probably do 2 miles the most. And yeah, I'm gonna take advantage of the 55 degrees, but I just have my hair, y'all know I wear it in my little classic look. But yeah, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.